Today, we're starting our Java Mastery series with the very first step. What exactly is Java, and why is it still so powerful in 2025? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language created by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystems. Its main goal? To be simple, secure, and platform-independent. It runs using the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, which allows Java programs to run on almost any device. This is why it's called Write Once, Run Anywhere. And yes, it's still one of the most widely used languages today. Java is literally everywhere around us. Let's see where it powers real-life systems, Android apps, back-end servers of banks and tech companies, enterprise software like ERP systems, desktop apps like Eclipse and IntelliJ, embedded devices, smart cards, ATMs, even smart TVs. It's estimated that Java runs on over 3 billion devices globally. So yeah, Java is not just a language. It's a global ecosystem. If you're a beginner, Java is one of the best programming languages to start with. Why? It's used in most college curriculums. It's perfect for learning DSA and doing coding interviews. It's the backbone of Android development. Java developers earn great salaries and have strong job demand worldwide. In short, Java is future-proof, and learning it can give your career a serious boost. So, why do developers love Java? Here are some of its most powerful features. Platform independent. Java code runs on any device with a JVM. Object-oriented. Everything in Java is based on real-world objects and reusable classes. Secure. Java runs in a protected environment, making it safe from most viruses or malware. Robust and scalable. Java handles errors well and is built to support large, complex systems. These features make Java reliable for everything, from beginner apps to enterprise-grade software. This is just the beginning of our Java journey. In the next video, we'll install Java on your system and write your very first Java program. So make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Void Byte. And let's master Java together.